What's poppin'? I can pass that break like Stockton. I got options.
Damn.
Anyways, welcome back to the channel. My name is Saivon, owner of Las Vegas Select. Take a quick second and just hit that button down below. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you guys for tuning in, and thank you guys for watching my previous videos. I greatly appreciate you, and I love you forever. Hey, I'm wearing a Nike Supreme NBA jacket and my varsity club trucker hat in the purple colorway, just to honor weekend's NBA All-Star weekend. And also shout out to Christian and Brandon for the varsity hat, just because it is honoring our late legend Kobe Bryant. So these items are going to be specifically for the trip that we're going to be taking this week. So most of them are going to be winter items, and also some items that I'm trying out for the first time just to see how they are. And some of these items I already have before, but I just wanted to get them back. That's going to be in a second. We're going to start off with the left side over here. All these items are thrift items. Mostly are going to be for Las Vegas Select, my website, the online web store. You can buy one of these items and enter the Coachella giveaway for every $10 spent. And then some of the other items are also for the trip. And so we're going to get right into it. So for the first item is one of two different colorways. It's a brown Carhartt long sleeve. My girlfriend actually found both of these long sleeves in the thrift. They're in great condition. Basically look brand new. If you don't know the brand Carhartt, this is like a really popular brand in the winter time, very durable. So this is the brown colorway, the navy colorway. And again, most of these items do look like they're brand new, and we got these for a steal. So these will probably both be up on Las Vegas Select. This is in the navy colorway. Sick pieces for the winter time or even early spring. Dope jacket. I wish it fit me. It's a great military green colorway, and also has a maroon interior. It's embroidered Nike on the left side, the left chest side. Right here, and it's also embroidered in the back. It does have a hood. This is an XL, but it does fit like more of a large. As you can see, it does have the vintage Nike tag in the inside. I think this is a sick winter piece. It looks completely brand new as well. So you'll also see that on Las Vegas Select for a good price. Another vintage jacket right here. It's a vintage puffer jacket. You don't really see puffers out there in the vintage realm as much. They're very rare. As you can see, it looks more of like a black colorway on camera, but it's more of like a navy, a dark navy color. You really got to look up close, but you can get away with it being black. Just to show you guys real quick, it does have the white Nike tag. This is a vintage tag if you didn't know. If you see a white Nike tag, that's a vintage Nike piece. This one is also an XL, but if it can fit snug for if you wear XL, but I honestly say if you like it oversized, if you wear a large, it would be a perfect fit. So this will also be going on LV Select as well. The next item here is not really a known brand, but it's going to be an item that's a good layering piece. Here you go. So this has a nice like military green color to it. Looks good with the hoodie and the interior. As you can see, the inside has like different materials. It'll keep me very warm when I go to New York and Toronto. It does say it's a size large, but this one actually fits more of like an XL, and I like that. I like my clothes to be oversized or at least fitting. So this one you'll see me wear in some of the vlogs. This is a vintage piece. I have no clue if this will fit me or not. Yeah, so this next piece right here, I believe is not going to fit me. It does say size XL. This is a vintage started Miami Heat t-shirt. Love the print on it. It is starter. I'll show you the tag. So this is a vintage piece with the starter tag right here. Miami Heat is my favorite team. It does look a little bit short. With vintage items, you're going to have to go a little bit bigger in size. I also have the starter and NBA logo on the left bottom corner right here as well to show that it is vintage. I like this print. I saw it on Grilled and I was like, I have the cop. This one's probably not going to fit me, so I'm probably going to put this on Las Vegas Select as well. Too bad. It's a sick shirt. So you'll see that on the web store. This item off StockX, I kind of was like bummed for not hitting on this item. This is going to be an outerwear piece. This is a, if you guys know, but this is a Cactus Flea Market. Then the Nike collab. This is the Anorak. I thought this jacket was super sick. I just love like the many details. It has different like branding all over. It has embroidery on it. Has a kangaroo pocket. And on the back you have big Nike on the back that's embroidered and big Nike logo. And then on the right sleeve, right here, I have Just Do It. Just a lot of branding. It's just a sick standout piece. I'll show you this. I already know what this is gonna be. This is actually gonna be the cargo pants in the brown colorway, but these are the green ones that I purchased first. I love these pants. These are like super nice when I wear sneakers with them. They stack up nice. They have very adjustable parts to it where you can adjust it to how you want to wear your cargo pants. They have like the strings on the bottom so you can adjust like the fitting for the legs. In the middle, or both sides of the pants, where you can adjust the sizing. If it's too big, you can make it tighter so it'll look more sleek. Pockets on the side. They only have one on each side. You don't need that much cargo pockets on your pants, so I use these all the time. Everything is secured. As you can see, it has the Uniform Studios logo right there. Really subtle detail. Love these cards. Another thing about Uniform Studios, they package all their things in like clear bags with uniform on them, or Uniform Studios. It's like nice details when you purchase from them. They give you just little details with their packaging and their tags, their size tags, the bang for your buck. So when they put little details like that, I really appreciate that. Shout out to Uniform Studios. So this is the brown colorway. These look very sick. I'm definitely going to be wearing these. I like the brown on these. It's not too dark, not too light. You don't really see brown cargos out there like that. You see like more of like the military green or even the tan khaki colorway, but seeing brown cargos right now is sick. I can't wait to wear these. I'm super excited. If you're wondering about sizing for the cargo pants, they do run true to size. I would honestly go to your true to size because I wear them. They're like exactly my size. The brown colorway is sick. All sold out with the hats. They've done a couple of restocks. You can check their website, but these ones are gonna be. Here we go. So I got two hats from them. I got one black and one navy. I am a Yankees fan as well. What they did with their hats is that they reversed the logos, so they made them upside down. And another great thing for each of the hat is that they do have embroidery on the side. Depending on what city they're from, they have like the New York embroidery right here, and then they also have the Uniform Studios on the other side. So this is the black one, and then this is the navy colorway. This also has the same embroidery. The New York Statue of Liberty on this side, and then also Uniform Studios embroidered on this side. These hats look sick. I hope they look nice on me. Shout out to Uniform Studios for here. I wanted to open this a very long time ago. It's from the homies from Downtownsixth. Shout out to the gang. We're all from Las Vegas. I already showed you the previous black crewneck. This is going to be the military casino green colorway in the Downtownsixth crewneck. This is a sick piece too. It's basically the same one but in a green colorway, but this green is just different. You don't really see a lot of people with green crewnecks. Downtownsixth, go check them out. They're going to be in the link in the description below. Really nice piece as well. So I got a big package right here. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so these are the beanies. They did go for 2 for 1. I believe these beanies are go for branded stuff, but I wanted to be more simple and minimal with these. So this is the gray colorway. Black one, because black goes with everything as well. Feels pretty nice. So I also got gloves as well. Got some black gloves. Here you go. So these are I believe $8 if I can remember. Oh yeah, this will keep my hands warm. These are the touchscreen gloves, so if you're using your phone, you can touch them while you're in the cold. Excited for these. These are all both low in stock in my size. And the great thing about Asos, they have a sizing assistant, so like you can input your normal sizes in other brands and other clothing. They help you out and choose the correct size for each brand on their site, so you can get the correct size when you're ordering online. I know when you're ordering online, sizing is a big issue. Assistant for that, so it'll let you know your size and what they recommend depending on what kind of look you're going for. So this item I got here is a black puffer jacket. These puffer jackets are very good, very stylish. Look like quality, looks like a good size. I wanted my puffer jacket to be kind of oversized so I can put a hoodie under it. So this is the puffer jacket. It has the Asos tag. It is the Asos brand. It's pretty sick. This is gonna fit so nice. I'm excited. Oh, this is a great piece. You can see the little details, quality, brand new. It's in the front as well. Excited for this. I got 2 puffer jackets in 2 different colorways. This color is super hard. It was sold out initially when I was looking at it, and then I just had like a notification thing where it did go in stock in my size. Like, man, I'm not gonna get this gray colorway in time for the trip. So getting this gray one, I'm excited. It's kind of like a bluish grayish tint. Very stylish. I went for more of like a stylish look more than a everyday look. This one, the gray on this just pops. Yeah, this one's dope for sure. Also got this 2X as well, so I got both of these puffer jackets in oversized, like I said. This is a nice great colorway as well. Ooh, I can't wait to wear these. But yeah, I highly recommend Asos just by looking at it and the sizing. They got everything right. I got them for all steel prices. So go check out asos.com. They got a lot of different brands on there, not just their brand. They have like Nike, they have like other big brands, so check them out. They have a lot of discount codes and sales. They have their own app. Go check them out, asos.com. Got these items for a steal, and I've been wanting these items for a while now. So the first item I got is both of these items from the designer Stone Island. You guys heard of them? Some of the rappers like Jake or Travis Scott wear Stone Island. It comes in a nice Stone Island packaging. Stone Island, I don't know if you see that. And is some gray Stone Island sweatpants that I always wanted. These usually run from like $200 to $300, even $400 to $500 sometimes. And I got these for like probably like half the price of that. Size below, just if you want a more fitted look for your sweatpants. But the known detail with these ones is going to be the logo patch on the leg. That's what I was going for. I love this logo patch. The Stone Island patch is like the #1 thing for Stone Island. It's what they're known for. So definitely get these ones. I got the sweatpants. So I highly recommend, if you ever get Stone Island sweatpants, is to go a size below if you wanted a more slimmer look. If you do go true to size, it might be a little bit baggy, but if you're going for the baggy look, go true to size. If you're going for a slimmer look, go for a size below. So these are the gray sweatpants. This one's going to be different from the sweatpants. This one is Stone Island cargos. These are super essential if you're into streetwear. I got these true to size and they fit super great. Has the Stone Island patch on the leg right here above the cargo pocket on the side. Nice details like Stone Island buttons. You can just see like the noted details. Usually these cargo pants run from $300 to $400, and I got these for like a little bit more than half off, so I got these for a steal. Orange box means it is Fear of God. These are going to be Fear of God 1s. So right here we got the Fear of God 1s in the Oatmeal colorway. Shout out to Jerry Lorenzo and Fear of God. I really wanted the Fear of God 1s a long time ago, but I never hit on them. Please subscribe and like down below, and even comment. Greatly appreciate that. And also check out my web store, lasvegasselect.com. I am doing a Coachella giveaway for every $10 spent, and you can always also buy raffle or slots for the giveaway for $10 only. Don't miss out. It is for weekend 1. It is general admission. Please follow me on all my other social media platforms. And huge shout out to all the Vegas brands out there. Huge shout out to Varsity Club, the whole gang over there, Downtownsixth, Reserve, Operation Rally, Fade Las Vegas, Market Co., Hanu Vintage, and B-Flake Supply. Stay tuned for more content. Please leave them comments below if you like this video. I really appreciate all the feedback, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.